If you're looking at your dash and you want your check engine light off, you want all the codes clear, you're going to have to pull this plastic centerpiece off. You're going to have to go ahead and make sure all your functions are working before you pull this out, because that will let you know whether or not your functions are working properly. And this car only have the tire pressure light on. So yes, we're about to go ahead and get started here. All right, guys, if y'all trying to do a diagnostics on your 2018 to 2023 Challenger, Charger, Mopar diagnostic, you're gonna have a bypass cable. You can get this bypass cable on Amazon. I have my Zurich OBD scanner plugged up to it, and on the Challengers, they're behind your U-Connect. I already have it pulled out here. In the Chargers, it'll be under here. You have to pull this out. But today we're going to talk about the Challenger. Okay, there's 2 wires. There's the security module back here. You just push down on the tab and then pull out at the same time. You can do this with your thumb or middle finger. Have one finger on the tab and then your middle finger push it out. Like so. See how quick I did that? It's not really hard. And you get these 2 wires here. And you connect this here to your 2 wires. So I'll just stick this down since I'm holding the camera. I'll pick one at a time. This is more of a fatter one. So I'll fit the fatter one on, like so. Just gotta be patient here, guys. They slide right on. That's one. Here's the more skinnier one. They're really not going to be hard to figure out because they only go on one way. Put the skinny one on. Boom. So now you have your bypass cable. You can get this bypass cable on Amazon for $20. If you want to leave a comment, I can send you the link to the Amazon. All right, so yeah, that's how you hook up your bypass cable on a 2018 to 2023 Dodge Charger. But this method is for the Challenger. I'll have another video on the Charger. All right, I'll holler back.